Today we are reading Words Are Magic, a Level 1 ready-to-read step into reading book. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and educational activity ideas for no prep, homeschool learning, or classroom discussion and writing activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning resources and access to my printable and play-based no prep preschool curriculum. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories. Now let's read Words Are Magic by Zaila Avant-garde, illustrated by Felicia Whaley. Words are magic, have you heard? Pick a letter, make a word. R-M-P. Bat, hat, cat. You can sing words, sing, sing. You can shout words, shout. Draw them, draw. Paint them, paint. Touch them, touch. Trace them, trace. You can build words, build. You can stack words, stack. You can mix words, mix. You can match words. Apple, flower, dog, tree, sun, ball. Can you read them? Read. Can you find them? Find. Can you spell them? Spell. Can you rhyme them? Frog, log. Fun to wrap words, wrap. Fun to write words, write. Cuddle up and say good night words, good night. Words, words, words. Words are everywhere. Bookstore, bank, burger, pizza, taxi, bus stop, new books, don't walk, one way, purr, movies, open, garbage. I love words. Sing, build, stack, read, draw, paint. Pause the video and go back to the beginning and reread the words yourself. Write down, with the help of an adult, all of the ways you can learn and enjoy and play with words, whether you're finding them, wrapping them, drawing them, or finding them around you in your natural environment. What ways would you like to practice reading words? Go on an ABC scavenger hunt to write down one or more words for every letter of the alphabet, from apple to zigzag. You can write down nouns, which are people, places, things, animals, or plants. You can write down adjectives, which are words to describe things like big, small, shiny, fuzzy, sharp, warm, cold, or even verbs, action words like run, walk, maybe you see a bird, F-L-Y, fly, or raindrops falling, or clouds floating. You can find a printable ABC scavenger hunt for free on laurenmartinbooks.com, along with other printables for effortless, free, fun learning, as well as no prep, ready-to-go preschool curriculum, both printable and play-based options for homeschool or the classroom. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for these free printables and bundles and learning activities. And please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories like this one. Thank you for reading with me.